Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a meeting recording in Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful when you need to remove outdated recordings or free up storage space in your organization's cloud storage. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where the recording was made, as you'll need the appropriate permissions to delete it. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Here you'll find several icons representing different features. Click on the chat icon, which is typically represented by a speech bubble. This will take you to all your recent conversations and meeting chats. After clicking on the chat icon, you'll see your chat list appear. Go ahead and click chat again to ensure you're viewing all your conversations. This section contains all the individual and group chats you participated in, including those from meetings. Now comes the crucial part, finding the specific meeting that contains the recorded video you want to delete. Scroll through your chat list until you locate the meeting conversation. Once you've found it, click on that chat thread to open it. This will display all the messages, files, and recordings associated with that particular meeting. Within the chat thread, you should see the recorded video displayed. It's usually shown as a thumbnail or a link with a video icon. Click directly on this recorded video. This action will bring up more options and details about the recording. At the top of the screen, you'll now see an option that says Watch in Browser. Click on this button. This step is essential because it takes you to the full video player interface where you'll have access to more management options, including the ability to delete the recording. The recording will open in a new browser tab or window. Once the browser opens with your recording, look at the top of the screen where you'll find a 3 dots menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your recording. From this menu, select Delete. You may be prompted to confirm this action, as deleting a recording is permanent and cannot be undone. And that's it. You've successfully removed the meeting recording from Microsoft Teams. The video is now deleted and will no longer be accessible to anyone who previously had access to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.